guys, welcome back to my channel Lee Style. It's Ishani here, and today I'm sharing a Nykaa haul. It's my first Nykaa haul, I think. So I hope you are enjoying watching my videos, and if you're enjoying them, then before getting into this video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. So the first product I'm having is from the brand called Etude House, and it's a Korean based makeup brand. So as you can see, these are skincare products. These are the sheet masks. As you can see, these worth ₹100. This flavor is olive. This one is pearl. I've got two, and the prices are mentioned in the screen, so please check it out if I've missed anyone. And मैंने 3 शीट मास्क खरीदे थे, तो उसके लिए मुझे 3 गिफ्ट में मिले. The first one, again the pearl, these, and this one, the olive. I'm loving this one. I want to try it. So the next product I'm having is from Wow Skincare. This is the apple cider foaming vinegar face wash. This is my second purchase because इसको मैंने इससे पहले आई थिंक मेरे पर्पल हॉल में शेयर किया था. तब मैंने इसको फर्स्ट टाइम बाय किया था. ये मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा. आई एम बाइंग इट अगेन. आई वुड रिकमेंड दिस टू एवरीवन बिकॉज दिस इज रियली गुड. This applicator just took my heart away. This is really good. This is worth ₹399, and I have mentioned all the product details and links in the description box, so please check it out. So my next purchase is this Nykaa lip balm. My flavor is blueberry. I've used it. This is really cool. This packaging is just too cute. Inside, this smells yummy, but I'm not eating it. This is really cool. So the next one is from the brand Nykaa. As you can see, this one is the Nykaa Home Safe Disinfectant Spray. As you can see, the packaging is really good. And the second one is the Nykaa Veggie Safe Fruit and Vegetable Cleanser. I think this was a combo. So the next product I'm having is this Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. As you can see, the packaging is luxurious. Of course, it's a luxury brand. This palette is a dream of every makeup lover, every girl, every man, or any makeup artist. As you can see, this looks so pretty. I don't think I have to mention anything because this is really cool. The mirror is there. The shades. So my favorite shade is this one, the Fling. This is how it looks. They are really well pigmented. And this is the pigmentation. This is fabulous. I think I will be sharing a tutorial of it. Let's see. This is too good. So about the price, this is a little expensive, as you know, because it's Huda Beauty and it's a luxurious brand. It's a high-end brand, so it worth ₹5600. And I've shared the link. Please check it out. So what I'm having is from MAC. And of course, MAC and Huda Beauty, these two are really expensive, but it's okay. I think they're worth it. So this is the MAC Prep Plus Prime Fixer, and my shade is Pink Light. It worth ₹2900. This is so good. This is just fab. It smells amazing. The packaging, I think I realized that MAC product is really good. Next one I'm having is this. Again, it's a MAC lipstick. It's a mini lipstick. It worth ₹1050. My shade is 611. Please me. This smells so good. This is the shade. This is a creamy lipstick. This is so good. Look at the shade. You should try it. I mean, this is a very, pocket friendly lipstick. My next product is this Nykaa Just Wing It eyeshadow palette. It's a 12-in-1 eyeshadow palette and my palette name is Sweet Sundae. This is a really smart packaging. So this, I think this worth rupees 1500 because this was at offer, I think. I have mentioned the price on the screen. Please check it out. A smart packaging. I'm saying it again and again. So, mirror, applicator, the shades. It's really cool. So, this one is really good. This chocolate brown shimmer, which one? This one. Great. I'm loving this one. My next purchase is this one. It's the Nykaa Glamour Eyes Eyeliner. I'm having two shades. This one is the Whimsical Potion. This is how it looks. Very bluey and turquoise color. And this one is the Poisonous Plum 07. So let's check out the shades. I love experimenting with my makeup, so I've got these shades. These are the two different shades. So this applicator is good. So my first shade, it's really beautiful. I think that's it. And next one is this one. It's a very purple and mauve shade. It's really easy to create a wing with this one. I'm loving these too. So my next product is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It was rupees 499, 500 as you can see. So it's a silicone based face primer. I do have oily skin, but it really works. The inside one. It's so cute, no? It is really good. It's cute. I always smell the makeup product because it's. My next product is the PAC Eyebrow Definer, and let me tell you that PAC is a really good brand. So this is the eyebrow definer. It was rupees 450, which is not bad actually. So they are having three shades. अच्छी पैकेजिंग है इसकी. 3 easy to wear, long lasting colors, define perfect brows. So the inside, it's a hard plastic actually. Sorry, how to open it? This is, so this one is a very deep, brownish color, the chocolate one, and it's a pure light brown color, and this one is the black. So I mix these two shades because I do have a black eyebrow, so it's better not to use only black. The applicator, it's cool actually, a good purchase. My next one is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Compact Powder. It was rupees 200, and my shade is 118 Light Beige. Contains SPF 28, I think. Nice packaging, huh? I think everything which is in black is always my favorite. The mirror and the product. It's good. I mean, I'm a compact person. I'm not more into loose powders. So yeah. So my next one is the NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop Won't Stop Foundation. and I am telling you, this is the first foundation which matches my skin so good. Of course, NYX or NYX, you can call it whatever you want. My shade is beige and this is a tube. This is my perfect shade. I'm just so in love with this brand. I mean, they're starting from their packaging, the quality of the product, it's really good. So this is the bottle. I mean, it's written here, it it contains 30 ml and it worth rupees 1,300. It's expensive, but the product is really good. So the next product I'm having is this, again from NYX. This is their concealer. My shade is beige and CW04 beige. The wand, it's a little lighter for my skin because the foundation is dark. No prob. It's great. I think the price was 525. Please, I'm repeating it. Check the screen. The prices are mentioned there because my कभी-कभी वो mix हो जाता है किसका क्या price होगा. So my next one is the NYX Professional Makeup Honey Dew Me Up Face Primer. I think it's really good. The only problem is that the NYX products are a little expensive because the quality of the products are. It comes with this spatula. It was better अगर ये tube में आता, but this is how it looks. This is a really good purchase. I'm really happy with all these products, I'm telling you. So the next one is a lip filler brush. It's from the brand called Faces Canada. मेरे पास I think Faces के बहुत सारे brushes हैं, including their blush brush. And this is how it looks. With the tip. Good. I'm really happy. Why I chose this brush? I'm a little biased towards the color black, so that's the main reason. But this is really cool. This purchase is this one. It's the Lakme Gelato eyeliners. It's a yellow one and it's the orange. So the yellow का जो shade है वो है 08 Lemon and Cello and the orange one is 01 Mandarino. So this yellow, I'm not happy with it because it looks so bright in the picture and I'm showing you this. It's broken. This is not good at all. So let's check out the orange. They are not well pigmented. Look, they're breaking. What? Lakme, how is it possible? They are so expensive. They were rupees I think 800 and they just broke. आपने देख लिया, आपके सामने मैंने इनको यूज किया अभी. I'm not one of the biggest fans of Lakme, but I was not expecting this. So the next one is from Colorbar. It's the most famous face primer, I think. So it's the winner of Cosmopolitan Beauty Awards 2019. And this is how it looks. Silvery packaging. And this is so good. It contains 30 ml of product. It was a recommendation, I think. Who suggested me this? I don't remember. So this is how it looks. It was rupees 850. It's really good. Silicone based primer and blends perfectly. It's just the perfect because it's written here perfect match primer. So this next one is from Faces Canada. It's a duo lipstick combo and what's the big surprise? So it was rupees 598 as it's written here, but on offer I got it for rupees 399, which is so affordable because I love this brand and it's really cool. Yay! Again, the black case. I think it's their that signature packaging because I love black. So this is the first one and they each worth rupees I think 299. so pretty. I think these are not the big lipsticks from Faces, but they're really good. So my first shade is, what's the shade name? It's not written here properly. So now, yeah, it's written here. It's Bombshell Red. So I'm loving this. Bombshell Red. This is how it looks. This is so hot. So the packaging. This, because I think because of the primer it's not coming. Wow, this is pigmented. I think you can see. I'm really sorry for this hand because यहाँ पे मैंने sunscreen लगाया था, that's why it was not coming out. This one is good, and the next one is this one. The shade name is Forsec Beauty 01. So wow, the brown color. This is really good. They're creamy. मैंने बस थोड़ा सा ही लगाया है इसमें. You know, I love browns. I think जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से जानते हैं सबको पता है. I love browns. I love nude colors, and as you can see I'm wearing it. By the way, my shade is the Charging Bull from NY Bay, and it's really good. I think I shopped a lot from them, so I got this Nykaa Matte to Last Skyfall Metallic Liquid Lipstick. It is a gift. I'm so happy because I love gifts, especially if you are getting a lipstick in a gift and like just on the top of the world. So this is the packaging. I'm so shocked. This is so good. Nykaa, I'm really happy. Applicator. You can use it as a lip topper. Should I wear it right now? It is looking good. Wait. Yeah. It's a lipstick. मैंने इसको और एक लिपस्टिक के ऊपर लगाया, which is darker than the shade. So it's a good lip topper, guys. I'm really. Someone please give me more lipsticks. Guys, I'm really happy with all my purchases except those, Gelato, the Lakme Gelato collections. किससे मैंने जो yellow and orange shade लिया था, मुझे लगा that yellow one is bad, but that orange one is वो बस टूट गया. I just placed it in my hand, it just broke. I'm really so sad about it. मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है. It's just so disgusting. But the highlighting part was this one, this primer. This is too good, and the most favorite is this gift, which I'm wearing it right now. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm glad that you have subscribed to my channel, and I'm really happy. So please like, comment and share my videos, and please, I'm saying it again, check the description box. It's really helpful.